7-liter 6-cylinder Cummins turbo diesel. This one has a 20-foot van body on it. Show you the chassis here. These trucks are in almost brand new condition. I've got two identical to this. Open up the back door. So same as the others, this has 2 steps going up into the body, as well as a boatload of shelves. This one does not have the exhaust fan like the other does. Box is in great condition. I've put in all these fiberglass shelves which can be removed. Coming around to the driver's side here, we have painted the wheels and frame as we do on all of our vehicles. Got a nice gloss finish to it. Up in the cab. This one's got 109,000 miles on it. It is under CDO. It does have air brakes with an automatic transmission, wood grain dash, as well as a backup camera up there. If you have any questions, you can call 727-484-8586.